Hello. Yes. Mm. So, welcome to today's sessions. Today, we will be seeing the exception handling and how we can send the HTTP status code using some of the responses. Okay, in the fast API. Okay. So one by one now. So yesterday's the main.py I'm trying to load it here. Yes. Okay. So in this fast API, right, you have called as status. Also you have HTTP exception. Okay. So now yeah. So you are returning the users, right? You can also send the status code here. Status code. Yeah. 1 second. Status underscore code equivalent status dot http. Mm, okay. Status dot 201 created. No, so this 200. Okay. Uh, it is not suggesting anything. 1 second. 200 successful. Okay. Okay. Now let us try to run this application. Mm, Ivicon, Ivicon main dot app slash reload. Loading could not. Okay. See, you have to go inside the first project. Okay. Now run Ivicon main app reload. Okay. Now open the docs. Okay. So we'll try to create a user with ID one. So password. Hmm. You have created a user now in the list. Try it out. Execute. Internal server error. There is an issue. Okay. Let me see. Fast API status code. Here it is. Okay. So import status code underscore one. Okay, they have done it manually. Okay, here only HTTP status. Status. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. 50. So let us install like five fast API snippets. Trust and publish. so that it might suggest something for us. Okay. Otherwise, status dot created. Okay. Okay. Status dot. Okay. 200 underscore. Okay. Okay. And that is. So you have to go if before. Okay. Let me try this. Okay. Okay. HTTP. What is the name? Okay. Okay. Still there might be an error issue. Expected syntax issue. Okay. Oh, that's the problem. See, right? You can now see. Oh, okay. Still it's not giving. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, see, you can see now. Status code 200 like this. Okay. So when you create any, I'll try to execute it. Now, not try to execute here. It should come. Yes. Okay, this is the response. So using the status library inside Fast API, you can send the status like this. And whenever you create a user, right? Yeah, yeah. So return user instead of okay, you are returning the response. Let's not touch it. Here only I will try send the status code, status underscore code, wrap under the braces, double braces. Okay. Now colon status dot http underscore 200 and create. Okay. Now refresh the page. Let's see any issue. Yes, it's there. Positional arguments follow positional syntax error 64. Let us ask our GPT what is the okay. Oh, so okay. While in the API, while you the API here, you can send. status underscore code equal to HTTP equal to status dot HTTP on 200 underscore OK. Yes. Now this might be correct. Let us see. Yes, everything is good. Let's try to create it. Okay, you created it. The status code, everything is good. And now when you try to retrieve it, yes. So it's a 200 success. Like this, you can send the status code and using the status. Yeah. Getting any issues? Please reply if you have any issues. Clear. Okay, okay. Section. Comment next. What has to be explained now? Next topic. Status code is clear, right? How to send the status code. So let us see another major example where format code. Okay. I will use the status code there also. Okay. Okay. That also I will try to explain here. Yeah. Yes. See this one. Okay. Okay. Status code. If it's there, else raise HTTP exception. Okay. Or send the status. And the status code where status dot HTTP format code. Okay. Yes. Now come on, let us see whether this will work or not. Okay, everything as I said that everything is an experiment. We are doing experiment here. One. Sure. You have done the first part, second part. Yes, third. Let us try to run. Like I will send to. Let us see. Okay, yes, given internal server error. So something might be wrong here. I will ask the ChatGPT what might be wrong. Okay, else raise exception. Okay, superb. Yes. So okay, so the status code has to be sent like this only, which I understood. So now reload it. Okay, we will create on user password. I have created it. So here I'll give one. So you will get the response. Okay. So when I give the two, so user not found, and here 404 undocumented. Here this one HTTP response this exception. You are raised an HTTP exception and sending the status code. I hope you got this things right. How to send an exception and what is the status code. Status code majorly used is 21 for creation. Okay, creation. 200 for um, successful successful request. Okay, and 404 for the object not found error. Object not found error, and 400 is for bad request. Okay, and 500 which you will get more when there is a code on internal server error. So these are all the things to be taken care of. Mostly you guys face in this status code only while you are starting at your career. Okay, any doubts? Okay, so now there is another concept like try to create a user not found class, exception class. Okay, you can create those exception class also, uh, and you can pass it like name, like user not found, or you can tell that product not found, category not found, like that also you can write it out. Okay, so one second, write an exception class record not found, record not found. Okay, right from class mercy or record string record not found. Here, if user is not get user raise, you will send the user. Okay, a record name in where exception a class where record not found. If what are all the classes you have, right? All the classes you can raise the exception. Okay, let us try to write a class exception class for it, and I will explain why we are writing it. Okay, class record record not found, record not found exception. Here you have HTTP exception. Okay. Okay. And you definite, I think so. You guys know are familiar with this. It is a constructed class. Okay. And you are sending the name here. The record name. Okay, record underscore name colon. The thing is str, and I'll keep it as record only. And here you'll try to um, so you can just return it. Okay, now whenever here, if user not found, else okay, you can write like this also. Okay, let us see and execute it whether it is coming or not. Execute. Executed it. Now I will do one. You got the internal server error. What's the problem here? Right? Okay. Validation input should be okay. 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 Let us okay. Ignore this right now. We'll keep as it is. Okay. This class creation I will try to explain in the next class. Record not found exception, how to use and all. In this, not okay. Uh, creating a classes, creating a class called exception, and how to use it, and how to use it, how to use it. Okay. So the next step, now the next major part comes use of dependence. Okay, dependency injection. Okay, this will be the major concept when we connect the in the next class. Okay, I am left with explaining the exceptions once. I will try to see the exception class. Not today, tomorrow I will try to explain. But the next thing we'll discuss more on the dependency issues. Okay, uh, we'll connect at 5:45 and try to work on this dependence and dependence and SQL alchemy. If you are in these two libraries, if you are good, right, then we can jump into directly into the correct. Right. So today only we'll do it. We'll do in session by session. Well, this was a small session related to status code. The next one is the dependence and SQL alchemy. Both we'll try to do, and we'll connect at 6 correctly, and we'll try to do the we'll try to connect the DB and also perform the CRUD in the DB, and we'll see everything. Okay, how to use the dependence also. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.